Alright, last problem for the conics review. Let's go ahead and factor this and get it into its factored conic form. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to group our x terms and group our y terms. So let's group our x squared and our 6x to get x squared plus 6x, and then plus y squared, group the y terms, minus 2y. And let's go ahead and move this minus 15 to the other side, so equals a positive 15 when we add it over to the other side. Alright, now focus on the x and focus on the y. We need to complete the square, so what do we need to add to this x expression to complete the square? I need to add 9. Where did that 9 come from? That came from half of 6 is 3, squared is 9. Plus, do the same thing to our y expression here, y squared minus 2y. What do we need to add? We need to add 1, because half of negative 2 is negative 1, squared is positive 1. And that will equal 15, but to balance it, I've added 9, so I have to add 9 over here, and I've added 1, so I have to add 1 over there. And now I get my completed x square on the left, x squared plus 6x plus 9, factors as x plus 3 squared, plus my completed y squared minus 2y plus 1, factors as y minus 1 squared, equals 15 plus 9 plus 1 is 25, which I will choose to write as 5 squared, because now that it is factored like this and written all in terms of squares, I can identify the center as having an x value of negative 3, 1, 2, 3, a y value of positive 1, plot that right there, and a radius of 5. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plot a point. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plot a second point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plot a third point, and finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to plot my fourth point. And now I can actually draw in, to the best of my abilities, that circle, which I promise you is supposed to be a circle but looks kind of elliptical. If I could have made it a little more accurate, you would see that is a circle. If my scale were a little bit better. But there you go, we completed the squares, we identified the radius in the center, and we sketched the graph of this circle. Yeah.